Hello guys, today I got my new toy. This BOSCH screwdriver, electric one with extra noses. As you can see, this is a box. You got your power cord and your power adapter to charge electric screwdriver, and we've got 3 years warranty. Let's open the box. Some paperwork. Okay, this is some adapters that you can use with this new toy from BOSCH. You have 19 degrees new angle. This one is good for cutting some stuff, for your salt or your pepper. Bottle opener, cut your grass. Nice. Books by BOSCH. Okay, and this is it. Those are the nose. Belt clip. Here you can see all the types. Very nice case. Charger cord and a simple charger. 5 volt, 1 amp. It's the same that you got from all your smartphones. And the game itself. Okay, feels good. This is your pause. Does nothing. Screw in, unscrew. This is your indicator when you need to power it. This is your light, and I think you can move this one somehow. Yes. Different type of lighting. This is where you can charge it. It's USB micro. Nice rubber, you can feel it. I think that's it. Very nice new game. Okay, nose is magnetic. Okay, that's all. I will use it every day, and if I have any problems with it, you will read it on the section below video. I think the price for it, this one was 50 euros. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.